How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing? If any day in your TikTok the direct message option is not showing, then just follow the following steps. First of all, tap on Play Store for a while. After you tap on Play Store will be launched on your device. Now go to the search option and tap TikTok out there. After you type TikTok out there, your TikTok application will be opened. Now you have to check whether any updates is available or not. If any updates is available, just update your TikTok application. Otherwise, open TikTok like this. And this way, TikTok will be launched on your mobile phone. After you launch TikTok on your mobile phone, now you have to open the home screen on your TikTok. After you open the home screen on your TikTok, now you have to go to the profile section on the down right. After you go to the profile section on the down right, now go to the three lines on the top right. This way, now go and open settings and privacy on your mobile device. After you open settings and privacy on your mobile device, scroll down until you find the option of report a problem. Now tap on the option report a problem. This way, an interface like this will open. After that, scroll down until you find the option of submit a report. And then when you find the option of submit a report, just tap on the option of submit a report. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now you have to write to TikTok that the direct message option is not showing in your device and please help me. After that, you should also attach the evidences of that in this section and then tap on submit. This way, when TikTok will receive your message, TikTok will solve your problem within 24 hours.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.